Good morning, children. Today I'll teach class 8D, chapter 6. It so happened, the fight, part 2. I think you have written these word meanings. So, come over on this side and fight, he shouted. Now, the other boy told Ranji that you can come over this side of the pool and fight. Now, but Ranji was not going to submit to any condition laid down by his opponent. Now, Ranji did not wanted any condition, whatever he told him, he would do. Come this side and fight, he shouted back with equal vigor. Now he also shouted with equal vigor, equal strength. Come this side and fight. Swim across and fight me here, called the other. Now the other boy is telling, swim across and fight me here, called the other. Or perhaps you cannot swim the length of this pool. And then he told that whether you can swim or not. But Ranji could have swum the length of the pool a dozen times without tiring. Now Ranji knew how to swim and he would have swum dozen times without tiring, and here he would show the warrior his superiority. Now here he can show the warrior his superiority, that he was super than him and he can swim the pool dozen times. So slipping out of his vest, he dived straight into the water, cutting through like a knife. Now slipping on his vest, he jumped straight into the water, cutting through it like a knife, and surface with hardly a splash. Now he dived into the water and there was hardly a splash, means coming out of the water. The warrior's mouth hung open in amazement, and when the warrior saw this, his mouth hung in amazement, means surprise. You can dive, he exclaimed. Now he told Ranji that you can dive. It is easy, said Ranji, treading water, waiting for a further challenge. Now again he was waiting for the further challenge, what he would say. Now, can't you dive? No, said the other. I jump straight in, but if you will tell me how, I will make a dive. Now he's telling, I jump straight in, but if you tell me how, I will make a dive. It is easy, said Ranji. Now Ranji told that it is very easy. Stand on the rock, stretch your arm out and allow your head to displace your feet. Now he is telling it is easy, but stand on the rock, stretch your arms and allow your head to displace your feet. The warrior stood up stiff and straight, stretched out his arms, and he threw himself into the water. Now he stretched his arm and then he threw himself into the water. He landed flat on his belly. He landed flat on his belly means he landed on the water with his belly stomach, with a crash that sent the birds screaming out of the tree. And it was making too much sound with a crash that sent the birds screaming out of the tree. Up till here only.